In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design professional slides in Canva. We'll walk through everything step by step, from choosing a clean template or a blank canvas, to keeping your branding consistent using strong visuals, aligning everything clearly, using Canva's AI tools to speed things up, and finally adding light animations and exporting your presentation. First, open Canva and go to the search bar at the top. Type presentation or choose a preset size like presentation 16:9. Now you have two options. You can start with a ready-made template or you can use a blank canvas. For a professional look, it's usually easier to start with a clean, minimal template and then customize it. Scroll through the templates and look for something simple with plenty of white space and not too many colors or decorative fonts. When you see one that fits your style, click it, then click Customize this template. If you prefer full control, choose the blank presentation option and you'll start from scratch with a plain slide. Now let's maintain brand consistency with limited fonts and colors. On the left, open the Design or Styles panel if it's available, or just work from the top toolbar. Choose one or two main colors that match your brand or topic. For example, one primary color and one neutral color like dark gray or black. Apply these colors to titles, shapes, and key elements and avoid changing colors on every slide. For fonts, choose one font for headings and one for body text. Go to the font dropdown, pick a clean, easy-to-read font for the title and a simple sans serif font for the rest of the text. Use the same font pair on every slide. If you have a brand kit, you can apply it to instantly keep everything consistent. From here, as you edit each slide, reuse these fonts and colors instead of picking new ones. Next, let's use high-quality visuals. On the left sidebar, click Elements and Photos. Search for images that match your topic. Choose high-resolution photos that are simple and not too busy. Drag them onto your slide and resize them so they don't crowd your text. You can also add icons instead of photos when you just need simple visual cues. Search for icons under Elements and pick clean, minimal ones. Keep icon style consistent, so if you pick outline icons, use outline icons on every slide. For data, use data visualizations instead of plain numbers. In Elements, search for charts or go to the Charts section if it appears. Choose a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart depending on your data. Click the chart, then use the Edit Data option to add your numbers. Keep chart colors aligned with your brand colors and remove extra labels or legends that make it look cluttered. Make sure text on charts is large and easy to read. Now focus on clear alignment and readability. Select a text box and use the alignment buttons at the top to center or left align your text. Use Canva's smart guides, those pink lines that appear when you move objects, to line up elements across the slide. Keep margins around the edges so text and images are not touching the border. Use a clear hierarchy, bigger text for titles, medium for subheadings, and smaller for body text. Make sure there is enough contrast between text and background. Dark text on a light background or white text on a dark background works best. Avoid placing text on top of busy photos. If you need to do that, add a semi-transparent shape behind the text to make it readable. Next, let's leverage Canva's AI for content and design ideas. Depending on your Canva version, you may see tools like Magic Design, Design Suggestions, or Magic Write. On the homepage or in the editor, you can use these to generate slide styles or content. For example, you can ask the AI to suggest layouts, headlines, or talking points based on your topic. Review the suggestions and then customize the text so it matches your voice and message. You can also apply design suggestions on individual slides to quickly improve spacing, layout, or color. Use these tools as a starting point, not the final result, and always adjust to keep your branding and tone consistent. Now add animations sparingly. At the top, click Animate with a slide or element selected. Choose a simple animation like fade or rise. Apply it to the entire page or just certain elements. Keep animations subtle and avoid using too many different animation styles across your slides. Simple, consistent transitions between slides look more professional than flashy effects. Finally, when your slides are ready, it's time to present or export. Click Present in the top right to start your slideshow directly in Canva. You can choose Standard or Presenter View if it's available. If you want to share or upload your slides, click Share or Download. Select PDF Standard or PDF Print for handouts, or MP4 if you added timing and want a video version. For most presentations, a PDF or Canva link is enough. From here, you can quickly review each slide, check for consistent fonts, colors, alignment, and readability, and your professional Canva slides are ready to use.